If you're watching this video, I'm sure you have been following my mini series, right? On how to edit videos on your phone. Any kind of videos, product videos, random videos, portrait videos, whatever kind of videos, using the Capcut app. Now, the whole idea of making this mini series, of course, mini series is to help you understand the Capcut app. Yes, it's to help you understand the Capcut app and how to use it to achieve certain cool effects, certain cool tricks that you desire to apply on your videos. Now, today we are going to be talking about speed, and I am not talking about this kind of speed, though. No, I'm not talking about that speed. That is the usual speed that everybody knows how to do. But I'm talking about cool speeds. Slow mo and fast mo. Yes, slow mo and fast mo. When you watch some people's TikTok video, you see how they'll be walking in slow mo with their fashion items, with the fashion clothes. You're wondering how they were able to achieve that. Or when they're walking in slow mo, they begin in slow mo, then in the middle they walk faster, then towards the end they're on slow mo. Then it's just a mix of speed, slow mo fast, slow mo fast, slow mo fast, slow mo fast. And you wonder how it is that they were able to achieve that. Well, that is why I'm here. I'm here to show you how to do that using the Capcut app. All right, as usual, let's dive into it. But before then, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If you haven't, please click on the subscribe button. Please, let my talking not be in vain. All right, let's dive into it. So the app we will be using, as usual, is the Capcut app. You can see it right there, right? Now, as I tap on the app, I'm going to load in a video. It's going to be a random video, but the technique in the video will help you understand better how speeds work, right? So I have 2 videos to demonstrate how speed works to you. So let's just try the first one. The first one will be this video of me walking. Let me show you. It's a video of me walking towards the camera. You can see that. So we're going to apply speed to this, like a slow mo, a fast mo, a mix of it though. So I'm going to tap on add because that's the only video we are going to deal with. Now, you guys remember now from the tutorial video that we did, the full course tutorial on CapCut, beginner's course. Now, down here is where the menu is, but we cannot see speed yet until we tap on our timeline video, onto the video itself. That is when we get to see the speed, what's it called? The speed feature. So I'm going to tap on speed. There are 2 types of speed. When you tap on speed, you're going to see normal and you're going to see curve. Now, normal is the usual one, like you can increase it to 2x, 3x. It's just the usual normal speed. If it's by default it's on 1x, so if I take it to 2x, so I'm literally like doubling up the speed. So if you watch it now, I tap on play, I'm literally going to walk fast. It depends on how fast I move the speed. 5x, I'm literally going to walk very, very fast. Now, but that's not the speed we want. We can actually take it less than 1, 0.5, and play it. It's like a very, very slow motion. Like I'll be walking really slow. This is how to create slow motion. Like you can drag your stuff to less than 1, 0.3x. The lower you drag it to, the slower it is. And then if I play it, the video becomes longer, of course, but I'm going to move in slow-mo. You can see me literally. Let me put this on full screen so that you can see. I'm literally moving on great slow-mo because I took my speed to a negative, not negative, less than 1x to something 0.2x, 0.3x. So see me moving very, very slowly. So that is how to achieve your slow-mo, right? I'm now going to show you another way to achieve slow-mo in a very cool way, like you're adding slow-mo and speed to your video. So you can see that slow motion on the go. Now, we'll tap on the timeline again, then go to speed. We were on normal and we took it towards 0. whatever. But we're not going to do that kind of speed normal. We're going to go to curve. This curve here. This curve is so beautiful that it is It is mostly underrated. Now with curve, we've got different options here. We have custom, we have montage, we have hero, we have bullets, jump cut, da 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 da. Those ones are templates. You get, those ones are templates for speed. But before you understand these templates, I'm gonna explain to you how they work using custom. Custom is like creating your own kind of speed from scratch. So I'll tap on custom and I'll tap on the pen tool inside that says edit. So now I'm inside custom. And let me explain to you now. We have a straight line in the middle. That's like the standard speed, normal speed of how the video originally is. Now the top part is about fast motion. The bottom part is about slow motion. So can you now picture how we can mix fast motion and slow motion together? Now, if I play this video, this line is playing out through every beat. This circular things are called beats, right? They are positions for speeds. So now if I tap on this second beat, the first beat is on this line. If I tap on this second beat and I raise it up, it means I want it to be fast, right? Can you see that? It means I want it to be fast. And probably maybe the third beat, I'll bring it down. I want it to be slow. And then the fourth beat, I'll take it up again. I want it to be fast. And the last beat, I'll take it down. I want it to be very slow. So watch this thing play out, right? Let me play it out fully for you so you can see. I've increased the speed, one part of the beat. The second part of the beat, I reduce the speed. Another part of the beat, I increase it. So I'm just playing around in the video, like go fast, go slow a bit, then go fast, go slow a bit. So let me tap on the check mark down here, and then let's play the video. Let's play the video. I tap on the check mark, and then I put full screen, and I play the video. Can you see? It's fast and then slow. It's a mixture of fast, then slow, then fast. This doesn't really probably make sense, but let me tweak it a bit again so that you can feel the effect. Let's go to curves, edit. Look at it, right? So it's fast here. Let me drag it down to the lowest. So it's very slow. So you can actually see it moving slow. And then this one, I put it down. And then this one, I put it to fast. So when it plays fast, then it will be slow, right? And then it goes fast again. Can you see that? It's really slow and then it goes fast. Let's play it again. Slow, because it's on level slow, right? And then it's quickly go fast again for the top. Do you see that? So that's how you mix it all up. So it's really up to you how you want your video to play out. You can start slowly, like probably start slowly from the first beat. I bring it down to the slow, then like this, then gradually it goes up, and then goes up and then comes down. You know, you could just play around with your videos just to get the effect that you want. You see how slow it was, then fast, then slow. So that's how you mix up speed to make your videos really interesting. So I hope you guys do understand how it is. And of course, you move on forward, add your music, and then everything plays out as you want. Slow, and then I move fast. Good. Now let me try it out with the next video that I also have for you. If you watch my video series, if you watch the original Capcut beginners training, you understand everything that we have been using. The only thing we're going to talk about in this lesson is the speed, right? Now let's say I want to add another video, right? I want to add another video, this one, this, I add it. Now this video, first of all, is upside down. Let me rotate it. I tap on it and I go to edit, and then I tap on rotate, so it rotates back. That's really good. So now if I tap on it, go to speed. I'm not going to go to normal because I discussed normal is just the basic one. I'm going to go to curve. Now with curves, you can see that let's do some custom. I tap on custom, I tap on edit. So we're going to do it how we want to do it. Maybe we want it to start up slow. I'm going to drag the first bit down to the lowest. You see that? It's starting up slow.
then it would move fast because the next beat is a normal speed. Let's say probably I'm taking the next beat down again to move slow. So while it's moving slow from the first beat to the normal speed, which is the second beat, it's gonna come slow again when it's on the third beat. You see that? Slowly. I can push this up to be fast and I can push this up down to be slow. So let's watch it. Slow in the beginning and then it's normal speed. It is as it travels, it's going to follow the curve. Then slow again. If I drag this lower, you're going to see how it is. Slow. Let me take this up, take this down, take this like this. Let's play it. Slow. It was fast initially, then it's slow, and then all of a sudden it's going to be fast again once it gets to this part. So how you tweak the curve, how you make it look is really up to you. Now let us now go back to the customs. Now as you adjust all of this, it tells you the final video length of your video. Originally it is 25 seconds, but as I add speed, as I increase it, decrease it, drag it up and all of that, you can see that the speed has reduced to 5 seconds because of what I have just done. So you get to know the length of your video at the final stage when you adjust the speed. Now let me cancel this, right? And let's try any of this. Montage. If you look at montage curve, you will notice that it's going to start fast, then go slow, and then go at normal speed, right? I've explained the curve to you. So if you tap on this, you see it's fast, then it will go slow, and then it will go fast. So instead of you trying to create something from scratch yourself, you can use the templates that is given to you here. There's hero. Hero starts out fast, then it comes slow, and then fast again. Can you see that? So it's really up to you, and you can see the time also reduces from 20 something to 13 seconds. Bullet is normal speed, then slow, and then normal speed again. Can you see that? So some of these templates are quite useful, so I just use them instead of doing something from scratch. But if I didn't get what I want and I want to actually adjust some levels, you can see as we are tapping on the templates here, we can still edit them to how we want them to be. Let's say, for example, now let's just see, this is flash. It's just really fast. This is flash out. Now let's say hero or probably bullet. See the way it is, and you felt like it was too fast from the beginning and you want to edit it, you can tap on the small icon and you can see all of these beats that was added. So let's play it again to understand it. It was full speed, like fast speed, then slow, then normal, fast, 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 fast. Let's say we want the slow to be longer, right? We want the slow to be longer. All we need to do is to drag this down, right? And probably come on here and say add beat. Let's add a beat. You see, this is another beat, another one that have popped up, and we raise it up to the level that we want initially. So my slow-mo is gonna be longer before it gets to the fast mo. So you can add more beats by yourself to adjust things. I can stay here now and say add a beat, and literally adds a new fresh beat wherever the line stays, and I can drag this fresh beat down here so that when it starts fast and then it's slow and then it goes fast again and then it comes back slow. So you can literally edit your speed or your speed templates as you want. So ladies and gentlemen, that is that about speed. Speed can be beautiful if you use it well and adjust it well to your preference. And speed increases engagement on your content. So your content, it doesn't play out boringly like somebody's just walking. You can literally add speed, fast mo, slow mo, combine everything together to make it look so interesting. All this fashion, when you have a clothing business and you're trying to show us the clothing on someone and the person is moving around fashionably, walking around, you can use the speed to make it look really, really cool. All right, then that's that for that. And Like I said, if you're following my videos and you watch the full beginner tutorial on how to use the Capcut app, you definitely know what to do after you've adjusted speed, is to add in music and of course to save, right? So if you have not watched the videos, please go back and watch them.
You see, this life, there are a lot of things that are just within the reach, within your reach, that you can do yourself, but you don't know how. And a lot of you will pay thousands, millions, hundreds of thousands of naira to learn this thing. And all you need to do with me is to have time, create time, and go through my video series on YouTube. You will become a pro in the matter of time. You become a pro, you know how to edit any and everything. Now that's it. That is what we're able to achieve with only speed. Look at how we transform basic videos to exceptionally mind-blowing videos that will draw engagement and traction. So that's all today. That's all for this series, and I'll see you in the next series. If you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I try as much as possible to drop enough videos so that you can learn not just about videos, about photography and about design generally, creating content for your business on the gram, on TikTok and on Reels. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next series. Bye.